Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gangster Mirage City online game crashing or not working, not loading, keep stopping, lagging, pressing black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info and then click on force stop, then click on OK. After doing this step, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game, click on storage option, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or to vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Gangster Mirage City, and you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to check your phone OS update. So if any update is available, you have to update it. So for that, go to the settings on your phone. After that, click on system update. Here you have to check if any OS update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If you still face the issue, you can install a VPN app and then access the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN. Lots of VPN apps will be available. Install any one of it, and after that log into it, change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you're suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, click on uninstall. After that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that again reinstall it and then try to play the game and check if it's working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.